This is basically like living in a hotel, or it is living in a hotel. You have your jacuzzi here as well. As you can see, quite a different view, and the beautiful Penthouses Park down here. Good afternoon. I'm here at the Phrom BTS station, and no, I'm not here for the M Sphere. I'm not here for the M Quartier or any of these office buildings here. I am here to film a penthouse right here. So let's go down to the Emporium Suites and I will show you how a luxury penthouse looks right here at the Phrom BTS station. So to get to the Emporium Suites, we have to go to the ground floor. I haven't been here for quite a while, but I see that they transformed everything into luxury shops. You have Cartier, Tiffany & Co, Prada, Burberry. Hello. Okay, but anyway, we need to go to the suites. So the location is absolutely one of the top locations in Bangkok. You have the Penthouses Park in front here, and here you have the entrance to the Emporium Suites. So I need to get the keys so we can go and have a look. Sawadee krap. So welcome to the penthouse floor of the Emporium Suites. We're actually in luck. We're having two penthouses that I can show you today, but let me first start with the one that has the major city view. Both of the penthouses are 550 square meters. They have 3 bedrooms and it's all about the space. As you can see, clear open spaces here, beautiful views of the skyline. You have the new UOB headquarters in front here. There you have the Mark, the Vittorio, and behind the dining table a beautiful terrace with a jacuzzi. And there are 4 penthouses here on the top floor, but only 2 have a jacuzzi. And look at this view. You have the Chao Phraya River in the back there, and the Bangkok Chao, which is the big empty space, and luckily that will stay empty. And you're literally on top of the world here. Down here is the Phrom station where I just started the video. You know, these are the moments where I realize that I have a cool job. Down here you have Benjasiri Park, and the other unit actually has a view over the park. The jacuzzi here. So here we have the kitchen area, which comes with an oven and an electric stove, and behind here you have the maid's quarter. Let me show you the bedrooms as well. So this is the 3rd bedroom. You have 2 single beds, but obviously this can be replaced with a king size or queen size bed. We have the bathroom. And there's a private bathtub as well. I love the entryway here with the big mirror. It has something majestic, right? So this is the 3rd bedroom. Same story, 2 single beds, can be replaced. Great views. And of course, so every bedroom has a bathtub. Powder room. And then we have the master bedroom. I like these little lounge chairs here. Can sit and read a book, get away from the kids, right? And then here, the ensuite bathtub, jacuzzi. Two sinks, so we don't have to go to war. And a washlet. So let me show you the second one that has the view over the Benjasiri Park. And this is basically a mirror of the other unit, but there are some differences. And especially in the kitchen. And let me show you around. Again, beautiful living room. Huge space, nice open. The big windows make the light come in and gives it a very vibrant atmosphere. So if you rent this apartment, it's 450,000 baht per month, but 450,000 baht includes all electricity, water, maid service 3 times per week. So this is basically like living in a hotel, or it is living in a hotel. You have your jacuzzi here as well. As you can see, quite a different view, and the beautiful Penthouses Park down here. It's in the middle of the day, so it's hot, not too many people in the park, but if you sit here in the evening you will notice that it's going to be very busy. Over there you have the Millennium Towers, there in the back the Penthouses Kitty Park. Even further you have the one Bangkok, which is blocked by the Millennium Towers. Amazing sky view. You can imagine if you come here at night that it's quite the sight. But let me show you the kitchen, which I already mentioned is a bit different in this unit than in the other one. The kitchen is a bit smaller. The style of the bathroom in the second master bedroom is a bit different from the other unit. As you can see, the toilet is more modern, and also the shower here. If you're interested in renting one of these penthouses here at the Emporium Suites, feel free to send us an email at info@suqfthomes.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also if you're interested in other apartments. But we are not finished yet. Let me show you the swimming pool, the gym and the rest of the facilities. Welcome to the Tan Sanctuary, and this is a garden area on the 7th floor, and here you find a fitness center and a swimming pool. This is one of the unique things of the Emporium Suites. You're next to the Phrom BTS station, you're across the street from the M Quartier, you're next to the M Sphere and the Penthouses Park, and still you have this greenery here, you have this absolute sanctuary, and that's also how it's called. Here we have the swimming pool, towels are included, and this is basically like living in a hotel. You see there you have the M Quartier, a couple of famous office towers here, the Biraj Tower, the UOB. Let me bring you to the fitness center. So here we are at the fitness center. So back on the ground floor again. And as you can see, you're literally next to all the shopping destinations here at the Phrom BTS station, and I am on my way to the M Sphere, and it's just nice to have this kind of a location. Penthouses Park here around the corner. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the penthouses here at the Emporium Suite. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.